Why don't we talk about Apple supplying parts to independent repair shops? What do you think? This was posted by Pickles, Lord of the Jar, on the forum. Thanks, Riley, for popping this in here. He has had one heck of a busy week, and it's really appreciate him sort of pitching in and making sure he's helping out the rest of the team. Thank you, Riley. Apple announced it's expanding its independent repair provider program to include Mac computers. So it launched last year, but only included iPhone repairs. This move will see Apple provide independent repair shops with Apple-certified genuine parts, tools, and even training concerning the repair of out-of-warranty Macs. But the one and only Louis Rossmann pointed out a bunch of problems, including onerous conditions before shops can get parts and support. So these may lead repair shops to having to wait 1 to 2 weeks to get parts after a customer's repair request comes in, which, if you've ever worked in the customer service industry, you might know that telling someone it'll be about 1 to 2 weeks before I even look at your job is a great way to get them to walk right out the door and go to somebody else. Shops can't stock certain common parts like batteries ahead of time because heaven forbid you be able to provide good customer service to Apple's customers. The list of parts included in the program is also restrictive, so you can't get certain parts from Apple. So Rossmann believes the program is an attempt by Apple to convince regulators it's not actually a monopoly, that everything is fine and just move along, nothing to see here.